Welcome. This is a guided heart coherence meditation. In this practice, we'll gently harmonize the heart and the brain, supporting your nervous system in moving towards greater calm, steadiness, and inner ease. Research from the HeartMath Institute describes coherence as a state where the rhythms of the heart and the brain synchronize and begin working together more efficiently. When we enter coherence, it often feels like emotional balance, well-being, or a quiet sense of steadiness and inner harmony. If that's something that interests you in cultivating, you're in the right place. Let's begin. We'll be building coherence using 3 layers, and I'll walk you through them one at a time. Invite your body to settle in now. You're welcome to practice seated or lying down. Choose whatever serves you best today. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench. You're welcome to close your eyes if that feels right. And we'll begin here with a couple big sighs. When you're ready, taking a full breath in through the nose and letting it fall through an open mouth. And if you'd like, you can have one more here. For our first layer, we are cultivating a smooth and even breath now, in and out through the nose. Gentle, unhurried, balanced breath. Following the breath as it moves in. And following the breath as it moves out. If it helps you to cultivate an even smoother or more balanced breath, you might want to inhale to a count of 4 and exhale to a count of 4. Let the inhale and the exhale be the same length. Steady rhythm. Soft continuity. As the breath becomes more even, notice how this rhythm might already be signaling ease and safety to the body and nervous system. Nothing dramatic, just coherence and ease beginning to arrive gently at the level of the breath. Let's add in our second layer together now. If it feels comfortable, bring one hand or a few fingertips to the center of your chest. Not pressing hard, just resting with gentle warmth and presence. This space at the center of the chest is often referred to as the heart center or Anahata chakra. Let your touch anchor your awareness here as you continue to breathe smoothly and evenly. You might imagine the breath flowing in and out through the heart center. A steady and benevolent visitor flowing in and out of the heart. Adding in our third layer now, we'll call to mind something that evokes appreciation or gratitude or quiet warmth. It doesn't need to be something big. It might be the comfort of your home, a moment of kindness, the feeling of sunlight, or simply the fact that you are breathing. Let your attention rest on whatever you've chosen. And as you continue your steady breath, your heart focus, allow the sweetness of appreciation to gather and grow in whatever way you're able. If you'd like, you might allow the faintest smile to come across your lips, a soft outward reflection of this inner state you're cultivating. Breath steady. Hand and gentle focus at the heart. Attention resting in appreciation. We are inviting coherence, holding space for harmony. Heart and brain synchronizing into a more harmonious, life-affirming rhythm. Stay here. Let the steadiness and any traces of well-being you're experiencing, let them deepen. Notice any subtle shifts, a softening behind the eyes, a settling in the chest, or a sense of inner quiet. You don't need to evaluate it, just receive it. See if you can allow this sense of harmony to spread from your chest into your belly, through shoulders into your face. A quiet sense of sweetness, as if the heart steadiness were gently growing to illuminate your whole being. Now slowly begin to widen your awareness. Feel the room around you, the air on your skin, any sounds in the space or in the distance. Allow your hand or your fingers to release from your chest. And notice how you're feeling now. This capacity for inner balance and innate harmony lives within you. You can return to it at any time. May you come to know the steady rhythm of your own heart. May you remember that harmony is not something you chase, it's something you cultivate from within. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you for showing up for yourself. My name is Marie-Ève. I'm a presence-based psychotherapist and a soul-centered guide. I'm passionate about pointing awakening humans towards the treasures carried within. If this practice supported you, I'd be delighted to hear about your experience in the comments. And I warmly invite you to subscribe to receive these weekly practices. If this practice resonated with you, we explore this and many other embodied presence practices in my programs and offerings. You can learn more about my work at centeredwithin.org.